In this video, I will show you how to create a clean talking head video in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. First, you need to add your video into your timeline by clicking on it and dragging it down to your timeline. If you zoom in on your timeline, you will see your audio channel has waveforms. As you can see, there are waveforms going up, going down, and then there's spaces in between. So those spaces are where I am not talking. What you want to do is cut those away so you don't have gaps or pauses in your video. You can either scroll to the left and select the razor tool, or you can simply press C on your keyboard, and then you can go to those gaps, click it to start cutting, and then go to the end where you'd like to cut and click that again. Then you can press V to go back to your selector tool or scroll to the left and click it. Now I can click that part that I have just cut and delete it. And now that pause or that gap has been deleted. And then I can click that empty space, delete to bring my video together. If you would like to make cuts quicker, you can click anywhere you'd like to make a cut, press Q, and it will cut to the left, or you can press W and it will cut everything to the right. If you would like to make color corrections to your video, go to the effects panel in the top left, search for Lumetri color. You will see it under the folder color correction. Drag it down onto your video, select your video, go to the effects controls in the top right corner, scroll down until you find Lumetri color. Scroll down to color wheels, and now you can play around and get your desired color, whether you need to add more reds, more greens, more blues. When you are happy with your colors, you can make any other changes that you need to make, and when you are happy with that, you can download your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.